Hi, my name is Pam Caldwell. I'm a certified herbalist. I specialize in fertility, pregnancy, birth, postpartum, and lactation. We also have a line of certified organic herbal products for immune system health, as well as a line for nervous system health. In the nervous system category, we have our Adrenal Tonic, and it's made up of some of the very best adaptogenic herbs available. An adaptogenic herb helps the body cope with and deal with stress. Stress isn't going to go away, but using herbs to help nourish and support the adrenal system and the nervous system really will help. This is a combination that you need to take every day because it is nourishing. This doesn't happen overnight. Just like with vitamin A, you can't expect to take one vitamin and expect to have perfect eyesight the next day. You need to take your vitamins and this adrenal tonic every day, but boy, does it work. I used it for a while and didn't notice a whole lot until an emergency came up, and oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how well it worked for me. So I am a huge fan and always take this. We have 2 different sizes, 2 ounce, 2-week supply, 4 ounce, 4-week supply. The 4 ounce is the better cost value. So please visit us at herblore.com, go to products, and you can read all about my experience and how to order. Thanks.